Hello everyone, SHRADDHA, welcome to my channel. In today's CHHILLAR style, let's talk about the beauty secrets of a gorgeous actress but from the other side of the border. It's about Mahira Khan today. You might have seen her in the movie Race where she was paired opposite Shah Rukh Khan, and I bet you cannot watch that song Zalima without noticing her skin and hair. So I've got a Pakistani friend who actually introduced me to their cinema, and I have watched so many Pakistani movies since then. So she has been asking me to do this video for a very long time. But I was not really sure of the reaction of my Indian audience, so I was kind of ignoring it. I have been postponing it. But now, I would say from past 2 to 3 months, I have got many comments to do a video about her. So if you are a fan, whether you are in India or in Pakistan and you want to know her secrets, please keep on watching this video.
जिसकी हर धड़कन तू हो ऐसे दिल को क्या धड़काना ओ जालिमा ओ जालिमा
Mahira likes to stay positive and calm to look beautiful. She washes her face in the morning with fresh water. After that, she uses Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturizer. Before going to bed, she cleanses her face with Bioderma Sensi Bio or pure almond oil. She then follows it up with Kiehl's Cleanser, ROC Anti-Aging Night Cream or Rodin Face Oil. When it comes to natural skincare, she mixes a teaspoon of honey with lemon juice and then leave it on her face and neck for about 5 minutes. She loves using face oils, and if she doesn't have a fancy one, she uses almond oil. For those healthy dresses, she loves oiling her hair. She likes bohemian and laid-back styles. Also, Mahira loves styling her hair in a lower bun. Mahira doesn't have the tendency to gain weight. She claims that she has never stepped into a gym. She credits her genes and right diet for the body she has. She doesn't follow a strict diet but prefers homemade food for lunch and dinner. When it comes to makeup, Mahira loves to keep it natural. She uses ice on her face before applying makeup. A perfect and flawless natural looking foundation base is must for her. She loves Bobbi Brown Pink Coral Blush. Her favorite mascaras are from YSL and Jyot. She likes a thick eyeliner with bright lipsticks. But when it comes to nude lipsticks or peachy makeup, she loves smoky eyes. She's obsessed with MAC Ruby Woo. To keep her look simple, she uses a lip color, an eyeliner, some blush and mascara. And when it comes to fragrance, this Pakistani beauty is obsessed with Ralph Lauren Romance. So yay, my very first Pakistani actress's CHHILLAR style video. Now it's going beyond borders. Yay, and I'm loving it. So if you have a favorite actress, now she could be from anywhere and you want to know her secrets, please write her name in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy making that video. If you like today's video, big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can press that notification bell next to the subscribe button if you don't want to miss a single video. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.